How to make a Discord account. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to make a Discord account. First, open Google Chrome and search for Discord. Now, click on the first link, which will take you to the official Discord website. Here, enter a display name of your choice. Then check the box that says I am human to verify. Now complete the puzzle by clicking on the object that looks different. Then click on Next. Now enter your date of birth and click Next again. Now, click on Create My Own to set up your first server. Then choose either for a club or community or for me and my friends. Pick the one that suits you. Now, enter a server name, then click Create. Next, you'll be asked to enter a topic like drawing, memes, gaming, etc. Click on Done when you're finished. Then click on Take Me to My server. Now, to complete your Discord account setup, enter your email address and password. Then you're all set. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.